Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am doing some very basic cat eye nails, but I thought I would show y'all anyways because cat eye nails are just really pretty, and I like these. I like how they turned out. I did miss an important step to these, but at the same time they were cute anyway, so I'm gonna show y'all my inspiration. So here's the inspiration by Diana Nailed It. And as you can see, it's very cat eye. It has a little bit of stars on it and it's very swirly, so I did the cat eye part and the stars, but I missed out on the step where there was clearly some sort of like milky white polish used, but I feel like it still came out cute anyways. But if you don't want to miss out on that step, just go ahead and do that before you do the cat eye, because I think that will turn out a lot better. But anyways, regardless, I'm applying this cat eye from ROSALIND, and if they still have it for sale, I'll link it below. But there might be a lot of products that I use that aren't for sale anymore, but the tips I'm using are from Nails by Dev, so those are definitely still for sale. And I'm using this magnet from Born Pretty that I'm so certain that they still have on their website, so I'll be sure to link that as well. Well, I'll try to remember. But anyways, this is more of like a quick tutorial just to show y'all how I did the patterns that I did do with these magnets. Well, the magnetic gel. And like I always say when I'm doing cat eye, if you want to reset it, just brush over it, because once you get a design, it's really hard to like continue to use the magnets to maneuver the design in a different way. So you're gonna have to reset the magnets. But yeah, as y'all can see, it's very easy and quick what I'm doing. This part is very easy and quick, and then I'm going to be doing some stars, and I feel like that was the hard part. So here's the magnetic effect all done. It's definitely giving galaxy vibes. So now it's time to add some stars with some Born Pretty gel. As y'all can see right here, I had noticed that my thumb was just completely crooked, and that's very annoying, but whatever, it's not really that noticeable. Moving on though, I decided to top coat the nails now because well, I didn't really think about it that well because all I had to do was wipe them, but I decided to top coat them for some reason. But what's best to do here is probably do all you really need to do is wipe it. Like, you don't need to top coat it or add anything, because I'm going to be putting some chrome on these, and I just top coated them first for literally no reason, because I ended up buffing that so that I could apply some chrome. So right here, I'm just drawing the stars with some black gel because that's what I wanted the base to be for this gold chrome. And now I'm adding all the 4 points on the star after using the dotting tool, and I'm going to do that step a billion times for a billion of the stars. There's like at least, I don't know, 10 stars. Not that many actually. But I feel like they came out really, really pretty. Like I said earlier, I do wish that I did do that step. Adding the milky white gel, swirling it around before adding the cat eye, but regardless, they came out cute, and when I was done with these, I actually did not like them at all, but when I posted them on my Instagram, everybody was liking my story, so that boosted my ego, I guess. So now I'm saying they're pretty. I also want to mention how interesting these nails look matte. So that gave me the idea that maybe I should do a winter set with some matte cat eye and do some snowflakes on top. So let me know what y'all think of that, because I have not done a winter set yet. I know I didn't do a fall set. I mean, I did one out of the entire season. But I kind of want to do a little bit of snowflakes this year. I was thinking about doing like a winter challenge or something. I don't know. But I don't like the winter at all, y'all. Let me know your favorite season, because mine is definitely like, I think mine would have to be spring, maybe. Any season that isn't super cold or super hot. Summer is super hot. Winter is way too cold, and I hate the winter. Like, that's my least favorite season. But that doesn't mean I don't like winter nails though. I just don't like winter. You don't need to fully cure the black gel polish. I think I cured it for like 30 seconds before I added the chrome. It is stickier if you don't cure it fully, and then you can just go ahead and fully cure after you apply the chrome. And this is especially good because the chrome will have a hard time getting off of that gel polish if you do a cure with it on there. Now it's time to do a very, very satisfying top coat and turn these matte cat eye nails into shiny, glossy cat eye nails. And after this, I left it at that because I felt I wanted to keep these very simple. So let me know what y'all think of these in the comments below. I love how they turned out. Well, cat eye is really hard to mess up, so yeah, I kind of like how they turned out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and check out my Instagram in my description below to order some press-on nails, because I can do the set for you if you want. And I do them for very cheap because, well, I'm a beginner, so just give me a chance, you know. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching once again, and I hope to see y'all next time.